and welcome to On the Move, a show highlighting what's going on in your community. I'm your host, Eliza Papazian. In this month's show, we'll meet Officer Sharon Kim, see what's new at GCC, take a look at the electric car drive event, and so much more. Glendale's a great place to live, work, and play. Need proof? Let's roll that video.
Glendale boasts a wide range of great places to live.
Our community is one of the safest cities of its size in the nation.
Glendale is alive with investment and has a thriving tech sector.
Glendale is rich in cultural offerings.
We're surrounded by 4 major freeways, and we have great access to our airport, regional rail, and transit. We are the Jewel City.
Have you ever considered going electric? Let's take a look at the Tri-City Electric Car Guest Drive event.
Electric Car Guest Drive is a peer-to-peer car meetup where people can come and learn about electric cars from owners. There's no dealers here, there's no manufacturer reps. All the people who have cars here are owners who are enthusiasts and advocates and want to educate people about what it's like to drive electric. We have about 9 Teslas, including the new Tesla Model 3 and Chevy Bolt and BMW i3. Each of these are available for people to drive here at no cost, simply to educate them about what it's like to drive electric on a daily basis. And what happens is people get in the car and they drive, even if it's just a few blocks, and they realize 2 things. One, it's a really nice experience. They're quieter, they're smoother, there's no vibration, and they're actually a lot cheaper to operate. And so when they talk to owners and get the experience from those owners about what it's really like, then they have a much greater confidence to think about buying an electric car. So when people come to the Electric Car Guest Drive, they do a few things. They can see the exhibits that we have, which is kind of like a little game about all of the important information that you might want to learn about driving electric, what the range is like, what the rebates are like, how you charge at your residence, at work, and in the public. After they see the exhibits and learn about electric cars, they can actually get in and drive one. The sponsor of Electric Car Guest Drive for this event is City of Glendale, Glendale Water and Power, Pasadena Water and Power, and Burbank Water and Power. The municipal utilities are sponsoring Electric Car Guest Drive because they're promoting the use of electricity as a motor fuel because it doesn't pollute at the tailpipe. There's 0 emissions for these electric cars.
I'm very much all about the environment, and I've been looking for a long time for a zero emissions car. I'd prefer to do electric over hybrid if I can. We test drove with somebody who's owned the car for 2 years, so they've really lived in it a little bit, and they drive for a living. So it was just really easy to do a question and answer. I absolutely walked away without feeling any sort of pressure whatsoever, and more excited to kind of learn a little bit more, see if it's something I can fit into my family, as I do want to expand my family. So just kind of deciding what the best route is, and this was really a wonderful event to make that happen.
Today's electric car guest drive event is meant to educate our residents about the zero emissions automobiles that are currently available on the market in order for us jointly to be able to achieve the zero emission standards that we're all striving towards.
It's always a little nerve-wracking going from, having that gas safety net to no gas, but I think with just the ranges now and in our lifestyle, I think we can make it work. At first I was a little nervous about the transition, but after speaking with some of the owners here and really test driving it, I really feel it'd be a very seamless transition with our lifestyle. Yeah, this is fantastic. It's great to have so much information in one place and just a sense of community. It's really wonderful.
There's something new to see at GCC. Let's check it out.
I'm Drew Sugars, Director of Communications for Glendale Community College. GCC is the region's premier learning community. We have more than 25,000 students on all three of our campuses, here at Verdugo, also Garfield, and the Professional Development Center in Montrose. Verdugo is the largest of the three and has been named the second most beautiful community college campus in America. Take a walk over our bridges, across our plazas, and through our buildings, and you'll see why. Well, today we're showing you an example by visiting GCC's newest building, Sierra Vista, which we opened in early 2018 via a symbolic launching ceremony. At 95,000 square feet and 3 stories, Sierra Vista is the largest building on all 3 campuses. But there's some cool stuff in this building for our students, like the Learning Commons on the first floor, a 7,500 square foot collaborative area filled with couches, booths, and traditional tables where students can study, relax, or visit their friends. A well-known coffee company is coming to fill this restaurant kiosk space in the coming months. Now, if a student is looking to mute the volume, the Learning Commons has a quiet zone with plenty more space and some of the more interesting chairs I've seen in a while. The second floor features modern classrooms with whiteboard walls, multiple video monitors, and innovative seating that encourages collaboration. The second floor is also the new home of our culinary arts program and its state-of-the-art kitchens. I'll let the head of the program tell you all about it.
We are really fortunate that we have a new home here in the Sierra Vista building. And our facility is just like you would find in a restaurant, a caterer, a hotel, a hospital. We have the same equipment and we work just like we would work if we were working in one of those hospitality environments. So we can give students the real world experience so they're going to be able to feel confident because they've gained the skills that they need to work.
And here's the third floor, the driving force behind the vision of this building, a one-stop shop for student services. Students no longer have to walk to several areas on campus in search of help. Here they'll find admissions and records, financial aid, counseling, transfer center, assessment, career services, and the International Students Office. We're committed to putting our students first here at GCC, and this is one way we do that. Simplify the process so they can get into their classes and complete their educational journey. We're proud of our beautiful college and our professional faculty and staff, but in the end, it is about the students. We hope you come and visit, whether looking to transfer to a 4-year college, acquire new job skills, or just focus on personal enrichment. There's a very good chance GCC has something for you.
Glendale is dedicated to excellence in service. Let's meet Officer Sharon Kim and learn more about her role in the police department.
Hi, my name is Sharon Kim, and I work for the Glendale Police Department as a police officer. On a regular basis, I answer 911 calls for service, non-emergent calls for service. I also conduct traffic enforcement. The reason why I became a police officer was to serve my community, and I was born and raised here. So I take a personal interest in making sure that this community is safe and doing the best I can to help our citizens here in Glendale. The thank yous that we get from them, or the sigh of relief, or the smiles on their faces is what keeps me going and keeps me doing what I like to do best. My name is Sharon Kim, and this is MyGlendale.
The city's Earth Day celebration is coming up. Interested? Let's check it out.
Spring is here, and Glendale's second annual Earth Day celebration is coming up on Sunday, April 15th from 2 to 4 p.m. This fun-filled family event aims to teach attendees how to lead a more sustainable lifestyle. Pack a zero-waste picnic, visit the recycling truck, play games, and win prizes. And starting at 2:30, dance and sing along at the Eco Hero Show.
You got the power.
Join us at Pacific Park, 501 South Pacific Avenue from 2 to 4 p.m. on Sunday, April 15th. Bring the family for a day of eco-friendly fun.
Eco-Lego.
That's it for this month's episode of On the Move. For up-to-the-minute news, follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at MyGlendale. You can also stay informed by signing up for our free monthly electronic newsletter, City Connection. Sign up on the city's website. Thanks for watching, and join us next time as we explore the interesting things happening in the city of Glendale.